Hi everyone! Today we're going to make something called Oobleck. And what it is it's like this slimy stuff that you can make in a container and you can play with it. But what's really cool about it is that when you press on it, it feels hard and powdery. But if you just let your hand sink into it, it feels like ooey gooey liquid. And it's really cool stuff. And it's very easy to make, and bonus, it's very easy to clean up as well. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a mixing bowl. We have a cup measure. This is 1 cup. Some water. I just have water in a pitcher here. Watercolor, or you can use food coloring, or you don't even have to use any coloring at all, so this is optional. And most importantly, this stuff here. This is called cornstarch. You can find this in the baking section of your grocery store. So I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to take my measuring cup, some cornstarch into the cup, as you can see here. I'm going to do a cup, approximately a cup. It doesn't have to be perfect. Ooh, that went all over my laptop. Just going to flatten it out here. I'm going to pour this into the bowl, just like that. Now the next part is we add the water. And what you want to do is you want to add the water slowly, a little bit, not too much. Okay? And you can use a spoon if you want, you don't have to. You can use your fingers if you want. I'm going to use a spoon. And it's gonna be a little hard to stir it. So you want to just slowly keep adding water until it gets to like a gooey consistency, kind of. It's very strange stuff because it's liquid, but it's also a solid. And if you find it still too watery like this, you can add more cornstarch. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna fill up maybe like a half a cup. And I'm gonna put half a cup in there. See, so it still looks liquidy, but it's also it's mostly gooey, and even actually it's kind of hard too and crumbly. It's so strange. It's crumbly and it's wet and it's gooey all at the same time. That's what I really like about this stuff. So you see in there, it's a little liquidy, but it's pretty firm now. It's pretty, like if you touch it, it feels like powder. It feels like hard powder. And that's still that's a little too hard, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of water, not a lot. A little bit. If you grab some of it, if you reach your hand in and scrape some of it up, it looks like this. And I'm just gonna hold it in my hand. And you can see it looks like slime. And if you press on it, it's hard. It doesn't get, well, my finger's dirty from the flour, but if you press on it, it doesn't get all over the place like slime would. Okay, if you've ever made slime before with the glue. But see how it's oozing? It's starting to get oozy on my finger. And if I keep it here for a while, it's gonna ooze off and drip into the bowl. I'm gonna put a little bit of coloring in there, not too much. Just a little. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You don't have to color it. You absolutely can keep it, make it stay white if you want. Once you add the coloring though, you need to mix it around in order to get the color incorporated. See, I'm trying to get the pink mixed in there. It's kind of hard to do it. It's hard to mix it in. But once you play around with it a while, it will eventually mix. So I grabbed a big chunk here. So when I just let it sit in my hand, it kind of oozes off my hand. And see how shiny it is? But it's hard up here. See? Rub it doesn't get on my finger. That's how you make Oobleck, my friends. I hope you'll try it at home. Bye guys.